In this video, we will discuss the field-oriented control of permanent magnet synchronous motors. This video will take us through tuning the control gains of PI controllers on an actual hardware using FOC auto tuner block and motor control block set. We will use one of the C2000 demo boards by Texas Instruments for demonstration. For more details, refer to the link in the below description. PI controller is most commonly used in implementing field-oriented control of PMSM. Although it is easy to implement, tuning the control gains of these PI controllers to get efficient motor performance is difficult. There are various methods available to tune PI controllers, such as making use of theoretical equations or tuning them empirically. The accuracy of the computed parameters using equations depend on the accuracy of system or motor parameters used in those equations. On the other side, empirical approach might lead to a lengthy iterative process, often with no guaranteed results. This example proposes another way of tuning PI controller, which makes use of the field-oriented control auto-tuner block. This library block can tune controllers on actual motor hardware setup while the motor is spinning in closed loop in steady state. The FOC auto tuner computes the PI controller gains in two steps. First, it injects sinusoidal perturbations of different frequencies on the controller output and records motor response to these perturbations. When these perturbations end, the block uses the estimated frequency response to compute PID gains. FOC auto-tuner block tunes current and speed controllers sequentially. This example consists of a target model and a host model. The target model is used to generate code and deploy it onto the hardware, whereas the host model acts as a user interface to control the motor operation in hardware. The host model is simulated on a computer and it uses serial communication interface to communicate with hardware. This is the target model. This model realizes speed control of PMSM using field-oriented control. Here, speed control is a PI controller with anti-windup. Speed reference is given via the serial input from host, and the actual motor speed is computed based on quadrature encoder feedback. Speed control loop executes at 10 times slower rate than current control loop. This is the current control subsystem. It executes at 20 kHz. Analog to digital converter signals and quadrature encoder signals are sampled in this subsystem. Using these signals, phase currents, motor position, and motor speed are computed. All these signals are in per unit base system. These are the inputs to FOC, which uses two PI controllers to control currents in direct axis and quadrature axis, which are also known as currents in DQ frame of reference. Outputs of these PI controllers are then converted into three-phase voltages, which are applied to motor phases using PWM generator blocks. ADC is triggered at the end of each PWM cycle, and the end of conversion interrupt from ADC triggers the execution of this current control subsystem. The current control subsystem also includes FOC auto tuner block running at the same rate as current controller. The outputs of speed controller and current controllers are given as inputs to FOC auto tuner. The other inputs are control signals to start and stop the tuning process. We configure the controller goals, that is bandwidth and phase margin, for each controller in FOC auto tuner block mask. The block outputs perturbations for the controller being tuned depending on these control goals. The perturbations are then added to the controller output. At the end of the perturbation cycle for each controller, the tuning process executes at a slower rate as configured in the block mask. This computes the PI controller gains. These gains are then applied to the tuned PI controller such that while tuning next controller, the already tuned controller gives optimum response. This target model is implemented on Texas Instruments C2000 Launchpad for F28379D controller. The details of the hardware are given in the documentation of this example. Now we will build this model and deploy it onto the hardware. Once the deployment is complete, we will proceed to motor operation and then to tuning controller gains. We will use this host model to control the motor. We will follow these steps and tune the PI controllers now. We have already built and deployed the target model onto the hardware. The hardware board is now connected to a 3-phase PMSM motor and is powered by a 24-volt DC power supply. I have connected the launchpad to my computer using the USB cable provided with the hardware package. We select the COM port to which the hardware is connected and then simulate this host model. This establishes communication between the host model and the target hardware. Use this motor start-stop switch to start motor operation. Once the motor starts rotating, we see the actual speed of the motor in the scope here. As we can see, the motor is spinning in steady state. We are now ready to start controller tuning process. We do so by using auto tuner slider switch. Ensure that the PI parameter switch is in the auto tuner position when tuning takes place. When we move auto tuner switch to start position, the host model displays the status message that tuning is in progress. We can see perturbations being introduced in controller output. This is reflected in the actual speed of the motor. This tuning process first tunes D-axis current controller, then the Q-axis current controller, and then finally the speed controller. Once the tuning is complete, the status shows in the host model here, and the new parameters are displayed in the host model. We will now stop the motor and start again. In this way, we can see the motor response with new PI parameters. We will run the motor again at half of the rated speed. We see that motor response is quicker and it takes lesser time to reach the set speed. If we zoom in and measure the rise time, it will be equal to 2 divided by bandwidth that we have configured in the FOC Auto Tuner block mask. Go ahead and try this out to tune the PI controller for your motor. For more information, please visit MathWorks website. Thank you.